Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to use Zeely's AI for audience targeting to help you reach the right people with your ads effectively. Zeely's AI-powered audience targeting uses data and machine learning to identify the best potential customers for your campaign. To start, log into your Zeely dashboard and select the ad campaign you want to optimize. Then navigate to the audience targeting section. Here, Zeely allows you to choose different criteria such as demographics, interests, behaviors, and location. The AI analyzes your campaign goals and suggests the most relevant audience segments based on historical data and real-time trends. You can adjust these suggestions manually if needed to better fit your brand's specific needs. Next, you can create custom audiences by uploading your own customer lists or targeting website visitors through retargeting options. Zeely's AI also offers lookalike audiences, which find new users similar to your existing customers, expanding your reach with high potential for engagement. Once your audience is set, Zeely continuously monitors ad performance and uses AI to optimize who sees your ads, adjusting targeting dynamically to improve results over time. This helps you get the most value from your budget by focusing on the users most likely to convert. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.